when the four man, three of them will hold you, you know. And brother man come up with the wire and one juke in your body, you know, master, and cramp you up. Say my inject them. Wicked, me tell you, oh, human being will. No, this when you ram him in the body jar with the wire. Jesus God.
Alright, welcome back. We will pick it up where we left it off, as Peanut Dread say. The four man then will run him kick off indoor or kick in indoor and have to run out with the fork. Then man there was the community police. And if you haven't watched them the set of videos there, me gonna put them in a link. Now this is part 2 of part 2. You get it? Where the whole Zaki Pow, the cow, the coconut thief. And this is what happened.
Pound see, Brown come with the cow card. Zaki Pound start and say, do, Pattern no make Mr. Brown beat me no man. She ma come with the whip the man. Pattern beg for me no man, no make the man beat me no man. Mr. Brown come up and Brown say yes. Whap! Me say, Zaki Pound say, do! No lick me no more, Mr. Brown. Hold on. No lick me no more. What? Pattern beg for me, man. You can make Mr. Brown. What? No lick. Hold on. Pattern beg for me no more. No lick me no more, Mr. Hold on. I ram me and Pattern I ram, sir. What? Mr. Man turn fool. I talk as foolish. He say I ramp him and the one will hold him to make them tie him. I beg him, you know. To help him, and he must say, I remember Pattern, he turn fool, right? What? Don't Mr. Burn, no beat me, no, me can't take him, bro. What? Mr. When they done, oh God, when they done with Zaki Pound, me say, he never go back down there. Then let him go in, me say, dash. Zaki Pound no go nowhere back down a grass piece. I saw down the name. Down a grass piece where Mr. Brown and Pattern have them place. Go back. Man, you see, the man them, when me I tell you, say, come after me, the one way up on my mother house where they left. When me tell you name brother man, good. Now in a den time that you see youth, they have some things. In a den tour. What they call crabard. He not then days, you know. Good. Some boy will live down a pound. And some live up a dry harbor. The one them pump a dry harbor fi pass down a pound to go a river. The one them down a pound I look after for them crabbards.
Alright. So the seniors them, which most of my subscribers and viewers are over the age of 45. What is crabard? Is it thinking foot, thinking toe? And this is how they never deal with Peanut Dread if they ever catch Peanut Dread when they kicking in door. The man and they have crocus bag full of stone and be a big stick. Fi beat 4x4 fi beat Peanut Dread. Yeah man. So then I whip Peanut Dread like a slave and cow. And then I beat him. And then I stone him like a Mary Magdalene. Hey, anyways. Again, what is, oh my God, I don't even remember where it be. Whatever Peanut Dread I talk about. If you're a senior, if you're mature, I know what it is, let me know. Although Peanut Dread can explain what it is, I guess.
And them get better. And the one them pound up a dry harbor. Nancy and no one look out for them. And you see, so them pass down a pound. Then drop off here and make them man they down a pound and pick it up back. And the man then go find out. And say, Jesus Christ. Me say the same one when name Brother Mano. You see? You one with call him Mass Will. And then for me Papa where they call Sam. And then what them call one other one there. 4 of them again. Hold on. The man them say, alright. You see, since them won't look after for them and when them pass down here, them a drop it off and make we pick it up back. Then call Brother Mano, the doctor, 4 of them gang up and say, watch ya. None of them not pass down here, you know. The man then get one long wire, so my brother, you know, sharp meat. And brother Mano say, him at the doctor. And they hide in a bush down there. And you see when up a driver man, 2 or 3 of them a pass nothing. Eh? The 4 boy rush out and say, see them here! And me say, Rasta, when the 4 man, 3 of them will hold you know. And brother man come up with the wire and one juke in your body jar in a massa and cramp you up. Say my inject them. Wicked me tell you how human being will. No, this when you ram him in a body jar with the wire. Jesus God, the man cramp up. The man cramp up. Me say, but then let it go. Oh God. Rasta, the man you know want pass on the. Well, it's when the man them a pass on, you know, hide, you know, right? And them go hide now. And the man, when we hide a pass, no, say them hide, they hide there, you know, because them wake early. Rasta, I must see about 3, then crippled. All in that they can't walk, you know, man. And then the man them go fight now. No, see that the man them gang up and they say, you know what man them do, walk way around everything. We are one of that district with name Elegant for the river now. Them couldn't pass back down them brethren, man. Right? Because the crabard thing there, you know. And then 2 coming, man. Right? And down a pound, man, them a look after for them, you know. And dry harbor, man, them no one look after for them, man, a pass down, they drop it off. They make the man, them a pick it up. The man, them gang up and say, make we inject them. Right? Make we inject them. See? And my God, a long wire. The man about jam the man in body jar. Oh God. Then no pass back down there. And I said then get rid of them. Until them thing there and sitting where foul have it, you know. Yeah, some cruffy sitting where you say foul. Hop on their foot. You see those 2 foul no wash foot. And then use it so much in a dirt and in a germ. Then catch that sitting there, you know. Yeah, crabard, they put them foot and them foot rusty. See, that sometimes it kill them, it look like he can't use him foot, you know, to everything grow up and enough in a man. Right? Yeah. Yes. So differently. Good enough.
Peanut Jets, crabard, all foul have it because they foul no wash their foot. Peanut Jets storytelling ability is great, man. Second to only Bada Cat. I swear to you. Hello. Someone in the comment section say Bada Cat chat too much now. Bada Cat a lion. Like, huh? Anyways, it's another good video from Peanut Dread. Me hope you don't like it. I did have a good laugh. I think tears in my eye. If you don't like it, just like the video for me. Share it, subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave a comment in the comment section. And if you know what crabard is, tell me. If you ever catch crabard, nobody tell me. Me no want to know. Stay safe. God bless.